this video, I'm going to show you how I took a regular strappy black top and I turned it into a light up LED top, which is undoubtedly better. This top is ideal for all kinds of situations, festivals, house parties, that kind of thing. Also like Tuesdays if you are bored, or like really any time that you want to make a good impression, like job interviews, that kind of thing. It's perfect. I took a like strappy black top and put LEDs on it, and then I covered that in tulle, and then I also made a little box that holds like the Arduino and the batteries and all that kind of stuff, and it also has a button and a display on it so you can control what kind of animation is happening on the LEDs, like it cycles through a few different modes. So that's pretty cool, kind of over-engineered, but I thought it'd be fun, and it was. I've also written a tutorial which is on Instructable, so that's got like all the details that you could want to know to make something like this yourself. Oh, and also you could totally use these steps to make anything else. Like it doesn't have to be a shirt or a top, it could be like a skirt, it could be a hat, it could be a bag, could be like a bodysuit or a corset, like anything that you want to cover in LEDs. You could totally use these steps and kind of make it your own. Okay, that is about everything I want to say, so let's check out how I made it.